Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to sign up to become a DoorDash driver. First, go to your App Store and download the DoorDash Dasher app. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on the Sign Up button to begin the process. Now, you will be asked to enter your basic details. Type in your legal first name and last name. After that, enter your country, zip code, and create a secure password. Make sure your password is something you can remember easily. Next, you will choose how you plan to dash. Select the type of vehicle you will use. You can choose a car, scooter, motorcycle, or even a bicycle depending on what is available in your area. After selecting your vehicle, you will move to the personal information section. Here, enter your street address, city, unit number if you have one, state, and zip code. Then, enter your date of birth carefully. In the next step, you will provide your driver license details. Select the state where your license was issued, then enter your driver license number and confirm it by typing it again. After that, you will be asked to enter your social security number. Type it in correctly and confirm it as required. Finally, choose how you want to get paid. You can select a debit card or connect your bank account. Follow the instructions to complete this step. Once everything is done, review your information and finish the setup. Thanks for watching.